last forever, ever, hold on, never mind. Oh,
Hello, I welcome you all to Soul Tarot. How are you guys doing? So here today we are doing a love spread, okay? A simple love spread for all signs. What's coming in? What's coming in for you guys? Okay, let's see. All signs, Aries to Pisces. I'm pulling out from the Wisdom Oracle deck, like the Oracle to set the base of the reading, okay? And then we're going to pull out a little tarot, where I'm going to pull out a love spread. मेरी सारी information is in the description box. Kindly have a look and do like and subscribe to the channel. Okay. The messages, okay, bro. For all signs people watching love spread, what is coming up for them in love? What is coming up for them in love? What do we need to see? For the soul tribe, the vibes. There are no reasons or seasons to spread joy, peace, happiness. Let's do that openly, okay? Let's just continue doing that. That's extremely important. And you know the song that was coming around? You know the card just fell on it? And how? Give me a second. Yeah. So we have loyal heart and we have community. Oh baby, that's like big. Isn't that big? That is big. One more we're gonna put. Oh, the too many. Oh, so much of love. So much of love. I see a lot of earth energy, really. One more. And we have imagine. So yeah, if you can believe in it, it is coming for you guys. So this is a love spread for whoever is watching, okay, and this is going to be for the singles as well. Essentially, you know, singles or you know couples who are trying to get into a relationship or whatever, whichever dynamic you may take it, okay. So जैसे भी ये resonate कर रही हो, you can just see. So I'm going to pull out the tarot spread, then I'm going to explain you the oracle and the tarot both, okay. So let's just go with the lights here deck that I love these days using. So my lovely singles are the one who are trying to get into a relationship or who've just kind of, you know, received offers and stuff. Stalker Alert was a reading that I did for singles specifically. Do watch that. Maybe that would also kind of connect. So let's see what is coming up. What is coming up for my beautiful singles, as in like who are getting into a relationship, who wish to get into a relationship. What is coming up for you guys? All signs. Seek friendship more than intimacy in a relationship. That would really last. That's a message I wanted to give out to somebody, okay? आखिर तुम्हें आना है जरा देर लगेगी. Of course लगेगी. This song is for somebody. Distance है maybe. And of course because of the COVID times, you know, we're not able to meet anyone. But yeah, with the judgment, things are going to change. And things are going to change because the universe, the clock is ticking. Although we say in the tarot, etc., that there is no clock, right? The readings are fluid. So whenever the title attracts you, there's always something in this reading for you. Okay, keep that in mind. The message is Michael for the highest good. Ancestors. What are the messages? What's coming up? What's coming up in the love spread for my lovely singles? All signs. Those who are trying to get into a relationship, precisely. Ooh, Four of Swords. You are kind of recognizing now that, okay, this is the offer which is coming around. If you see the love thread which is weaving, so it has been in their mind. You have been like somebody has told you, किसी ने आपको definitely बताया है about how they feel about you with the Knight of Cups at the bottom. They have definitely told you someone who's very hot, someone who's very attractive, someone who's very warm, very kind. They have told you about their feelings. Okay, genders में tap in नहीं करते, keep in view, so there's no genitalia. So it is about you really resting and thinking about it, saying, you know what, seems okay to me, but what should I do? So you're basically nesting and resting. You're very restless. Because previously maybe, you know, something didn't work out in your relationship with 4 cards popping out, and there was a 3 of swords that I saw. So of course there's this fear of heartbreak, and you don't want to get into the same, you know, you just don't want to get into the same. You're just hoping that from somewhere some light comes. High Priestess, your intuition is really guiding you people. My singles, listen. Maybe you're dealing with somebody whose name starts from an S, starts from an M, starts from an A, starts from a P, could be an L, and very intuitive energy. Could be you, could be the other person. Take it the way it resonates, okay? So your intuition is telling you that this is the kind of connection for keeps. So connect with yourself more. So with the Imagine card here also and the Loyal Heart, there's a lot of love. It's just that you need to believe in it. With the 4 of Swords, it's like you are basically getting attuned to the same, and light is coming on to you. It's just coming around. With the 9 of Swords, it's like now, although I don't do reversals on my channel, but I'm going to do this in reverse, because now you're getting the understanding that you cannot, you know, fall for stress, anxiety, confusion, chaos, conflict, because that will not serve you. With the High Priestess, you're trusting your intuition and you're saying, you know what, I know the offer which is coming around, or the offer that has come around, is for keeps, and I should pay attention to it, and I should not my old patterns and ways, you know, plague me and put me down. So yeah, you're not falling in the trap. आप नहीं वो चीज़ें, वो गलतियाँ repeat कर रहे हो, because you want to attract this love in your life. You really want to. Oh, strong fire energy, very attractive, very balanced, very strong, very capable, knows all the ways to woo you, to take you forward, you know. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, I see, and Gemini, Libra, of course I see, Aquarius I see. Strong presence I see of a Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Gemini, and yeah, in the mix if you got Aquarius, yes. So basically now the story is with the Lovers in the end, baby. Whoever is coming around for you, whoever is coming around is bringing in a lot of love, okay. With this 4 of Swords, you are बिना reason के आप restless नहीं हैं. Let me tell you, you're not restless because of no reason. You're restless because there is a very strong reason. You know, the one who's coming in is very potential. Is possibly someone you thought that, you know, you could never have for some, and that one is coming towards you. Someone who's very, like, you know, very manly, very suavish, very chivalrous, very gentle as well in the heart, like the coconut kind of vibe to the person. So genitalia nahi hai, please keep in view. So it's about the energy. So whoever is coming in, whoever is bringing in this energy is trying to come and tell you openly out loud, like the roar of the lion, that प्यार है तुमसे, I'd like to have a relationship or be in a relationship with you, something like that, to that effect. So with community and the loyal heart, here, let's start with like community. That sense of belonging that you feel with the person is massive. आपको ये लगता है that this just seems right to you, this person seems right to you, like this seems that out of the woods, somebody just brought about light. It's that kind of vibe for you, and you're also discovering the essential qualities that a relationship needs to have, and you are ready for it now. There are times when one person is going to lead, there would be times when the other person is going to lead. So you're coming into that acceptance and you are ready. You're ready to be led by also, and you're saying that I hope that I'm able to inspire the other person equally. So you are looking for that equal give and take in the relationship, okay? And with the loyal heart here and the imagine here, it says very simply, with the imagine card here, it says very simply that it is about manifesting, it is about putting in and saying that let's plant the seeds together, okay, and let's work on the relationship together, and you're ready to align it with your feelings. You both, because that's the kind of spread, you both are saying that you're letting go of the kind of shift which is holding you back, okay. The one who's coming in is coming in with a lot of clarity, with a lot of feelings, really, no illusions. The message I did for whoever needs to hear it was more about the illusionary vibe, etc., etc. But here in this reading for my singles, all signs, what's coming up, it's very clear, simple, that you're letting go of your old patterns and ways because you want to manifest the right one now. And that is definitely around the corner. ध्यान से देखिए, somebody is around the corner. And in the matters of the heart, it's always said that it's very easy to daydream, that's illusion. But to connect with the right person in the right moment is very romantic. So this seems to be very romantic to me. This seems to be very, very loving to me. And I just would say that just go for it, my singles. I mean, don't stop yourself. With the loyal heart, the one who's coming in is going to come in for longevity, and there's a lot of friendship, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of connectivity that you guys have. And with this, it's more like the Two of Cups kind of card. So the evidence is here that this is a lot of love. So you being restless makes a lot of sense. You saying that you will trust your intuition makes a lot of sense. You saying that you're letting go of old ways and patterns makes a lot of sense, because the right one is around the corner. The one who's coming in is bringing in a lot of love, a lot of affection, a lot of care for you, okay? And is very certain about this relationship that I see. Like spirits are very loyal to us, right? Kanji is very loyal, Michael, Gabriel, the angels, the guys we believe in, they're very loyal to us, right? So this is like a very wonderful partnership. This is a very wonderful friendship, a very amazing romantic relationship about to start. Make sure that you're honest in the relationship for some people, right? Make sure that you don't let the other person down, okay? Whichever way cross watchers take it, okay? So have that loyal heart. Give loyalty in return of loyalty. That is how it works. Long term relationships will only work and take shape if you are faithful to one another in every way possible, right? It's not like one person is doing all the job and the other one is like just sitting and saying, what, ठीक है ना, you love me. Don't take the other one for granted, because if that happens, trust me, the turn is going to happen. And Mercury going retrograde, it's going to bring about these service. Could be for some singles, their ex might come around. There's a possibility. But whoever it is, whoever it is who's coming around is now coming around. with a lot of faith, with a lot of flexibility, with a lot of love in their heart, and it is going to prosper. It's just that you need to show that kind of faith, you need to show that kind of love in the relationship, so that this really works and this goes from one step to another, so you can level it up, right? And don't be stubborn about things. There must have been something that you also would have done, right? Or the other person would have done. Either way, make changes. That's the way. As the spirit guides, whoever is bringing you, जिनमें भी आप मानते हैं, जो लोग believe करते हैं, right? This could have happened to you, could be happening to you, can happen to you. So there is no clock. So they're saying that make sure that you stay away from betrayal. Don't offer it, don't give it. Be more loyal. Because spirit has that amazing plan that they're trying to take away things that are not working for you anymore, that are outdated. So whoever is going to come to you is going to come to you with a lot of love, very instinctive, very powerful, very strong energy. So they're saying trust yourself this time, trust your intuition, don't be afraid, just believe. Let go of your old patterns, my singles, all signs, whoever you're dealing with. Whoever is coming in very hot, charismatic, smart, with a lot of love, with a great heart as well. A lot of balance in the relationship. But offer loyalty, offer love, offer kindness, and see the relationship prosper. Okay? And let me know, whoever comes in your life, and how the relationship panned out. Okay, so this is what I have for you. So if the reading resonates, give me a like and subscribe, and even if not, do give me a subscribe, because that helps the channel grow. And COVID times, let's spread joy, peace, happiness. I send you so much of that joy, peace, happiness. Stay safe, stay home, dhyan rakhiye until I see you the next time, until eternity. Bye.